This is a quick message to all those people out there that have been messaging me saying that only they knew Te Reo Māori, only they were fluent, they'd be confident. There's only one little problem with that statement. By saying that, what you're essentially doing is precluding confidence within the whole process of learning Te Reo Māori. You're precluding ever being confident on the journey towards fluency. And where does that leave you? I tell you right now, if you don't have confidence from day one, from day dot, the journey towards fluency, your entire Te Reo Māori learning journey is going to be so much more difficult. So I wanted to make this one very clear and very important point. Confidence does not come from fluency. I repeat, confidence does not come from fluency. I can't even say it properly. Confidence comes from within. You've got to find it within yourself already, and you've got to find it on day one. You've got to have it from day one. Now, you and I both know what a confident person looks like and what a not confident person looks like. And from the feedback I'm getting so far, a lot of you out there aren't that confident yet. You're not that confident with learning, you're not that confident with speaking, and you're not that confident in your own ability. And that's okay. There's no inherent problem with that. But if you want to start this journey, if you want to have an effective journey, you need to start building that confidence. You can't wait until you're fluent before you're confident to stand up and start talking. You can't wait till you're fluent before you pick up the phone and ring someone and start speaking in Te Reo Māori. You can't wait until you're fluent before you stand up in front of all your friends and whānau at an 18th birthday party and give a whai kōrero. Needs to start right now, day one. Now, there are a bunch of different tools, there are a bunch of different activities, lessons, all sorts of things you can do to build your confidence. And it's not just around Te Reo Māori. It's about building confidence in yourself in every aspect of your life. Because I guarantee if you can do that, it will flow through to your learning of Te Reo Māori. And once you've got that confidence, it'll be easier for you to talk. It'll be easier for you to hear. It will be easier for you to understand Te Reo Māori. And it will be much easier for you to break out of the mold and start speaking. So I challenge you to get out there today. It doesn't have to be something with Te Reo Māori. Just do something that puts you out of your comfort zone, makes you feel uncomfortable, something that's going to build your confidence. Because when we get uncomfortable, that's when growth occurs.